And let's get you all the latest updates on the farmers who are on a warpath against the recently passed farm laws. A huge showdown has erupted in the single border between protesting farmers and police personnel. In fact, several tear gas shells were fired at farmers as they made their way to Delhi. Earlier, farmers had requested police to allow them to enter the capital, but cops refused to grant them permission, citing COVID guidelines. Farmers are, however, adamant they're refusing to back off, which is what has led to also this massive showdown at the border. The Delhi police, meanwhile, has sought permission from the Kejriwal government to use 9 stadiums as temporary jails for farmers that they're expecting will be arrested in the course of these protests. Earlier, a huge clash had also erupted between farmers and police at the Tikri border in Bahadurgarh in Haryana. Police fired tear gas shells to disperse the farmers who tried to remove the barricades to enter into Delhi. So it's not just in the Delhi-Haryana border, in Uttar Pradesh as well. Farmers led by the Bharatiya Kisan Union will be hitting the roads and beginning their march towards Delhi. The farmers' representatives have announced the blocking of the Delhi-Dehradun highway, while the Agra-Mumbai National Highway 3 is still blocked by farmers near Agra. Milind Sharma is joining us live now. Milind, what's the latest? What's happening right now at the single border?
Well, Akshita, after several rounds of tear gas shelling happened, the farmers have now, decided to stay at one spot, but they are agitated, as we can see. They are raising slogans and they are raising flags over there, but announcements being made on their side to remain calm because the police resorted to tear gas shelling. And yes, it was inconvenience for many around the entire area. And right now also the police making announcements from that side that you must maintain law and order and maintain decorum. Meanwhile, the farmers continue to stay at one point and do raise slogans against the 3 farm bills against which they are protesting. Clearly, the Delhi police will not allow them to cross the border from here and move towards the national capital. There have been several attempts already, as mentioned earlier, and we don't know if there's going to be another delegation which will come forward and speak with the police, but definitely the farmers seem agitated, and as you can hear the slogans behind me, they are chanting slogans against the government there for not taking back, not reversing the 3 farm laws. But right now situation is under control at the Singhu border, but as far as allowing them to cross the border, it doesn't really seem like the Delhi police has any permission, so to speak, to let them go from here into the national capital and protest peacefully. Back to you.
Okay, so it's clear now that the farmers are going to try and push forward. Milind, there was also an update that we got about the Delhi police seeking permission from the government to convert stadiums into jails if they need to take these farmers into custody. Has there been any approval from the government or any response?
Well, as of now, we haven't heard of any approval being given by the Delhi government because the Delhi police has requested them for at least 9 stadiums to make them as temporary jails. So when these people will be crossing the border at all, they will be held there hostage. The Pandemic Act is being cited continuously. We also heard in conversations made by the police that there's a Pandemic Act and Delhi already faces a large number of coronavirus cases, and which is why there's no required permission. There's no permission for them to protest within the capital's territory. However, the farmers say that a lot has been done before as well, even during the pandemic, and which is why they are unrelenting. Meanwhile, the Delhi police has, as of now, requested to the Delhi government, but it remains to be seen whether the Delhi government would be coming forward and agreeing to their request to house the farmers in 9 temporary jails, because it goes against what they believe should be allowed for the farmers. We have seen the Aam Aadmi Party support the farmers movement, and that seems to be a point of contention at this point.
Milind, just stay with us. I just want to play out a report that you'd filed for us earlier from the Singhu border.
The farmers have retreated to some extent, and they are still standing there, but they are opposing the tear gas shelling that the police has resorted to now. Almost 12 rounds of tear gas shells fired here right now, and that is what has contained the crowd at this point of time. We are still standing at the Singhu border. After about 12 rounds of tear gas shelling is where the people have retreated to, and the police personnel here also trying to gather themselves after so many rounds of tear gas shelling. Continuous announcements going on here to step back. So Akshita, definitely it is unlikely that these people will be allowed to move forward right now, but I would ask my camera person Bakar to just zoom in and show you that the farmers don't look happy, and they are also opposing the way police has fired tear gas shells over here to contain the crowd.
On your screens also are visuals that are coming in from the Shambhu border. Remember, the Shambhu border is between Haryana and Punjab. The Patiala-Ambala highway is where this particular border checkpoint is. And here's where we saw yesterday a huge showdown as farmers from Punjab made their way into Haryana at this very point yesterday morning. Again today, look at the kind of security deployment present at the Shambhu border to ensure more farmers don't really manage to make their way through. Already hundreds of farmers have crossed over into Haryana and are trying to push their way into the national capital. But on your screens right now is the kind of security deployment that we're seeing in Haryana, because the Haryana government also denied permission for the farmers to enter into their state. And these personnel on standby there as farmers, more of them are trying to make their way from Punjab into Haryana. Let me take this across now to Himanshu Mishra. He's joining us live from the Tikri border, where again we've seen a standoff, we've seen some violence breaking out. Himanshu, हमको बताइए कि अभी सिचुएशन क्या है वहाँ पे?
देखिए, इस वक्त हम जहाँ पे खड़े हैं ये अभी टिकरी बॉर्डर से हम कुछ 100 मीटर पहले हरियाणा की तरफ है, और ये आप देख सकते हैं जो तमाम ये दूर दूर तक ट्रैक्टर्स हैं जिनमें किसान आए हुए हैं, ये बहुत दूर तक सैकड़ों ट्रैक्टर्स की संख्या में यहाँ पे पहुंचे हुए हैं। और यहाँ तक पहुंचने के लिए रास्ते में जो एक दो बैरिकेड्स थे बड़े बड़े, वहाँ पर सीमेंट के पत्थर रखे हुए थे, वहाँ पर जो ब्लॉकेज किए गए थे वो इन्होंने हटा दिया, और ये अब यहाँ बॉर्डर पे पहुँच चुके हैं। आप देखिए कितनी बड़ी संख्या में यहाँ पे किसान लोग पहुँचे हुए हैं, जो और इनका कहना है कि ये यहीं पर रहेंगे, या तो दिल्ली के अंदर जाएंगे या यहीं पर रहेंगे। हम कुछ लोगों से बात करते हैं। कहाँ से आए आप?
मैं पंजाब से पिंड बनावाली जिला मानसा से आया हूँ जी।
कितने रास्ते में बैरिकेड्स थे आपके?
ਅਸੀਂ 9 ਬਗੈਰ तोड़े अपने टीम ने सारी ने, तो बहुत जानी कि दुखी परेशान किया सानू। अभी ये जो सरकार बोलती है शौचालय बनाओ फलाना बनाओ, है कितने सहूलत देखो जी तुसी नाले जिम्मेदार।
अभी थ्रू गैस के गोले छोड़े गए हैं वहाँ पे, बहुत 3-4 आदमियों के तो हाथ तोड़ दिए उन्होंने, फट गए हैं, 1-2 के यहाँ पे लगी है। ते बहुत ज़्यादा मतलब हाँ तशद्दुद कर रही है ये मोदी की सरकार।
आप ये बताएं कि अगर नहीं जाने देंगे, अगर वो वहाँ रोकते हैं तो क्या करेंगे आप?
नहीं जाएंगे तो लाजरूर है।
लड़ाई है जी, जाएंगे, जाए बिना नहीं रहेंगे, मार देंगे।
हाँ जाएंगे,
लेकिन कोरोना फैला हुआ है दिल्ली में, उनका कहना है कोरोना फैला हुआ है दिल्ली में बहुत ज्यादा।
नहीं, कोरोना की कोई परवाह नहीं हमें, हमें तो वैसे ही मार दिया गया है।
दिल्ली वाले उनको
तो बाद में मारेगा ना।
बिहार में चुनाव हुई उदो कोरोना कहाँ गए, रैलियां की।
तो आप ये देखिए यहाँ पर जो किसान लोग आए हुए हैं उनका साफ तौर पे कहना है कि ये लोग आगे बढ़ेंगे, अंदर जाएंगे, किसी भी तरीके से मानने को तैयार नहीं है। आप देखिए कितनी बड़ी संख्या में यहाँ पे आपको दूर दूर तक ट्रैक्टर ही नजर आएंगे, जिसमें ये लोग बैठ के आए हैं अपना पूरा खाने पीने का सामान। अगर बारिश होती है तो देखिए किस तरीके से ट्रैक्टर्स को पूरी तरीके से तैयार करके लाया गया है। बुजुर्ग हो, महिलाएं हो, सभी लोग एक तरीके से पूरा एक ये तिरपाल सा लगाया हुआ है, खाने पीने का पूरा सामान साथ में रखे हुए हैं, और उसके बाद ये लोग चले आ रहे हैं। कितने दिन से चल रहे हैं?
सानू आज 4 दिन हो गए जी। हाँ, पंजाब से चले को। हाँ जी, ते दिल्ली आज तोड़ के बैरियर वहाँ पहुँच जाना है हम जंतर मंतर।
तो आप देखिए जंतर मंतर पर पहुंच जाना है, चाहे कोई कितने भी बैरियर हो। यहाँ पर पहुंचे हुए हैं जो किसान टिकरी बॉर्डर पर। पुलिस की पूरी व्यवस्था है बॉर्डर के दूसरी तरफ, और जो अधिकारी हैं वो बात करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं कि किसी तरीके से इनको समझाया जाए, लेकिन किसान अड़े हुए हैं। अब ये देखना है कि क्या हल निकल करके इसका सामने आता है। जी
हिमांशु, इसके पहले 2 घंटे पहले हमने टिकरी बॉर्डर पे वायलेंस पे भी देखा था, where the police resorted to using water cannons, tear gas shells to disperse protesters. क्या उस समय कुछ किसानों ने दिल्ली तक पहुंच पाए?
जी देखिए, किसानों का कहना है कि वो एक साथ ही आगे की तरफ बढ़ेंगे। जिस तरीके से ये देखिए पूरा कारवां चला आ रहा है, इनका कहना है कि ये छिटपुट तरीके से आगे नहीं बढ़ेंगे, बैरिकेड हटाएंगे। पीछे भी कई बैरिकेड हटाए हैं और बैरिकेड हटाते हुए ही ये आगे की तरफ एक साथ बढ़ेंगे। देखिए किस तरीके से पूरी तैयारी है। खाना बन रहा है यहाँ पर इसी तरीके से। जब से ही इनका कारवां चला है, खाना ये लोग बनाते हैं, लंगर लगाते हैं, कहीं भी खाना बनाते हैं और उसके बाद फिर खाते पीते आगे की तरफ बढ़ते हैं और जो बैरिकेड आते हैं उन बैरिकेड्स को ये हटा देते हैं। अब ये फिलहाल दिल्ली के बॉर्डर पे पहुंच गए हैं और अभी तक जिन किसानों से, जितने भी किसानों से हमने बात की, उनका ये कहना है कि वो जंतर मंतर तक जाएंगे, चाहे कोरोना की बात हो या कोई भी बात हो, वो यहाँ आकर रुकने वाले नहीं हैं। हम देखिए किस तरीके से पूरे बिस्तर वगैरह के साथ, पूरी तैयारियों के साथ, देखिए बुजुर्ग किसान भी यहाँ पर हैं, सभी लोग यहाँ पर पहुँचे हुए हैं। कुछ और लोगों से बात करते हैं। पूरी आपको क्या अंदाजा था, कितने दिन से आप चले हुए हैं, कहाँ के रहने वाले हैं?
हम मानसा जिले से हैं।
कितने दिन से चले हुए हैं?
ਅਸੀਂ ਪਰਸੋਂ ਦੇ ਚੱਲੇ ਆਂਗੇ।
परसों के चले हुए, पूरी तैयारी से बिस्तर
ਰਾਸ਼ਨ ਸਾਡਾ ਵਿੱਚ ਪਿਆ, ਲੱਕੜਾਂ ਵਿੱਚ ਪਈਆਂ ਨੇ ਗਿਆ, ਪੂਰੀ ਤਿਆਰੀ ਤੇ ਆਏ।
मतलब खाने पीने का
ਲਿਆਂਦਾ 6 ਮਹੀਨੇ ਦਾ ਰਾਸ਼ਨ ਹੈ ਘੱਟੋ ਘੱਟ।
कितने बैरिकेड हटाए आपने रास्ते?
हमने 5 बैरिकेड हटाई।
5 बैरिकेड। तो देखिए मानसा शहर से यहाँ तक आते आते इन्होंने 5 बैरिकेड हटाए हैं और ये देखिए ये ट्रैक्टरों में पूरा एक बिस्तर लगा करके यहाँ पर आराम से सब लोग आए हैं। जो बैरिकेड आए हैं उसे तोड़ा गया है, खाना बनाया गया है, खाते हुए, लंगर लगाते हुए। ये हजारों की संख्या में यहाँ पर किसान हैं, बहुत सारे ट्रैक्टर हैं, सभी लोग ट्रैक्टर में भर के आए हैं और जो जानकारी मिली है हर गांव के हिसाब से ट्रैक्टर्स सेट किया गया था कि कहां से कितने आने हैं और उस तरीके से लोग आए हैं। और यहां पर अब ये देखना होगा कि जो प्रशासन है, दिल्ली पुलिस है, सरकार है, किस तरीके से इस सिचुएशन को हैंडल करती है, किस तरीके से इनसे बातचीत करती है। और ये जो यहाँ पर अवरोध बना हुआ है, जो गतिरोध बना हुआ है, जो तमाम बॉर्डर्स पर दिल्ली के, देखते हैं वो कब तक किसी हल पे निकल पाता है।
Okay, so trucks full of protesting farmers there stationed at the Tikri border where Himanshu got us that ground report from. Let me take this across now to Milind Sharma. Different border checkpoints, the situation is tense, and India Today has reporters at every one of those points where you're seeing a lot of violence, where you're seeing farmers gathering in huge numbers. Milind, we saw how in Singhu border where you're at, the farmers are relentless. They're trying to push forward. There are nearly hundreds of them now, and you've got an equal number of security personnel present there, refusing to allow farmers to enter Delhi.
Well, you could say that they've gathered in more than just hundreds and probably thousands now, because as you see, till that end where the farmers have begun to gather and till the end of the road, if my camera person could pan and show you, they have all moved in closer to the border. But you know that to contain this massive crowd of farmers, there was tear gas shelling that happened just a while back, and that was the second round of tear gas shelling that happened. And certainly at this point of time we know that the crowd has been contained to the point that they are not moving closer to the border. But the situation does not seem to be under control, and we would still say that it's tensed as the farmers are unrelenting and they do want to move across the border even now. On the other hand, the police does not have any orders to let them cross over to the border. There you see sloganeering by the farmers over there who have been protesting against the 3 farm bills, but there's been no consensus to let them move forward into the Delhi border because of the Pandemic Act that has been cited by the police, and therefore the farmers continue to sit here. They had earlier said that they will remain to sit here. They will remain here for the longest time because they are here. They want to voice their opinion, but the Delhi police at this point has no permission to let them cross the border. So situation under control but remains tense. We saw how the police was once again loading their tear gas shell guns because the crowd may get out of control once again. Back to you.
Okay, Milind, thank you for getting us that ground report. Let's hope that things don't escalate from here. But going by how the farmers are very clear that they want to step foot in the national capital for what they call a peaceful demonstration. They're saying they want just to go to Delhi, peacefully protest and return. Things are turning violent because the Delhi administration, the police in particular, has denied permission for this particular protest, for this demonstration by farmers, leading to a showdown in the borders of Delhi.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.